I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Docs and selecting a blank doc or a resume template. This saves time and ensures consistent spacing. Once done, set 1-inch margins and pick a clean 10-12 point font like Arial or Calibri so readability is instant. Now add a concise header with your full name, phone, professional email, and a LinkedIn handle. Keep it to one line if possible. These first actions establish layout and readability, which matter more than clever design early on. Next, structure your resume so hiring managers scan it in 6 seconds. Use styles for consistency, heading for section titles, and normal for entries. Once the skeleton exists, add a short summary, then reverse chronological experience with bullets describing achievements and metrics. Numbers speak louder than adjectives. Make job titles bold and company names italic, and align dates to the right using tab stops to keep columns neat. Finally, list education and skills with comma-separated or bullet formats. This disciplined finish by proofreading aloud and using docs spellcheck and version history to lock in a clean draft. Once satisfied, export to PDF to preserve layout and name the file last name first name resume. PDF so recruiters see it instantly. When sharing, set view-only links or attach the PDF. Make sure to test on phone and desktop. If formatting breaks after export, embed standard fonts or download as PDF directly from docs. This troubleshooting step fixes most layout shifts and keeps your resume looking professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.